Hey guys, what's up? Of course, is none other than who, of course? Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm your girl Tammy, and today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make my delicious eggnog French toast, guys. But not just eggnog French toast, leches eggnog French toast, guys. It's the holiday, and there's nothing that goes better than eggnog. You hear me? During the holidays, who doesn't want a nice tall glass of eggnog, guys? So I figured, why not incorporate the eggnog with the French toast? French toast is delicious. French toast is delicious, isn't it? So why not combine the two and make the perfect match? So without further ado, guys, we're gonna jump right in, and I'm gonna show you how to make my delicious tres leches eggnog French toast, guys. So let's get started. Over here, guys, I have eggs. I also have Texas-sized French toast. Or should I say Texas-sized toast. Usually for my French toast, I love to use brioche, but I wasn't able to get my hands on any brioche bread. So Texas toast is the way to go as well. I also have a tall pitcher, or should I say a tall cup of eggnog, which I'm so tempted to drink, guys. Trust me, we might not get through this recipe because I want to drink it so bad. We also have some butter, a pinch of salt, pure vanilla extract, as well as ground cinnamon and ground nutmeg. And of course, I think I did mention eggs, guys. Anyway, first things first, we are gonna crack these eggs, these large eggs, right into the bowl. There you go. Hey. Alrighty, guys, to these eggs, we are going to add our eggnog. Eggnog. Yes, guys, looks so delicious. It smells so good. And we're just going to give everything a whisk. While we're whisking, we're going to add our ground cinnamon because we want these we want this eggnog mixture to have a lot of flavor, additional flavor, guys. We all know that eggnog has its own flavor as it is, but we want that additional, kick of flavor. I'm also going to add the ground nutmeg. Keep mixing, guys. Let's do it. Let's get it. As well as some pure vanilla extract. That's gonna tie it all in. And of course, a pinch of salt. Salt works really well when dealing with anything sweet. It gives it a nice contrast of flavor. So we are going to combine everything. Just give it a good stir and a good whisk. So guys, now that our custard is finished, we are going to put some non-stick cooking spray on our non-stick cooking skillet. And the reason why I'm putting non-stick cooking spray, guys, is because I like a surety. You hear me? I don't want my French toast sticking to this skillet. Even though it says that it's non-stick, I need reassurance. So I'm gonna add a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. Hit it off nicely. And we are also going to add a little butter to the skillet as well. Not only to give the bread nice flavor, but also to help the French toast from sticking. I like that nice buttery flavor, guys. When you add butter to the skillet, when you're doing French toast, so delicious. All right, I'm gonna just leave this right here. All right, and we are gonna dip our first slice of bread into the custard. Make sure it's coated really well. Make sure it's coated nicely. Just let it soak in all the wonderful mixture, right? And we're gonna place it right here. And we are going to repeat the same process. I like my bread soaked with this custard, guys. Besides, eggnog doesn't get any better than that. This is the perfect recipe for Christmas morning, for the holidays. OMG. The smell, the taste, the creaminess, to die for, you hear me? And there's not too many things on this earth to die for, but this is definitely one of them, okay? Soak it all up. Just, And we are gonna take this fourth slice and place it right here. I can't wait to dig in, guys. I will be honest with you. I cannot wait. The smell, the flavors, and everything. Oh my God. Has me so excited right now, okay? So excited. All right, we are gonna check our toast. It's browning nicely. I'm not gonna flip it over just yet. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time to do its thing. All right, we're getting there. We are getting there. So, by the way, guys, what have you been up to? What are you guys getting into this morning? Oh my God, it is raining. You hear me? Raining cats and dogs, as they say. Raining like crazy out there. And I had to go out there this morning. So, yep. Gonna flip it over. Look at the nice golden brown color, guys. Ooh wee. This is gonna be absolutely amazing. Hey. Hey. Yeah, I wonder if I should, you know what, I am gonna. Alrighty guys, so I got one more slice in here, one more slice in the custard, which I'm gonna place right here. And that's it. That is it. Alrighty. Eggnog French toast, guys. Absolutely delicious. Gonna turn it down just a bit. So right now we are at 300, and I'm just gonna allow it to just cook all the way through. As I mentioned before in a previous video, guys, with the pumpkin French toast, right? If the sides are a little bit moist, feel free, with caution, just as I'm doing, guys, to allow the bread, just, you know, like hold it in a position where the sides can get cooked as well. If you feel like the sides are a little bit moist. But if everything is perfect, then hey, you don't have to do this. Like I said, with caution, okay? I'm not telling you to go up there and burn your fingers, all right? All right, guys, we are ready to remove the first batch. And I am gonna plate on a different plate. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. But first, I'm gonna make sure that these guys are absolutely okay, because I don't want them to burn, okay? I do not want them to burn. Alrighty. And we are gonna remove these guys and place them right onto the plate. Right onto the plate. Into the plate. I'm thinking, guys, if I should just like literally stack them on top of each other, or, because you know I'm all about plating, okay? Or if I should just like kind of stack them like stairs. I don't know, guys. I be having all kinds of like different things going through my head when it comes to plating and stuff like that. All right, this is almost done. I'm gonna put it over here. This side is a little warmer. Turn it up just a bit. Turn it back up to 350, and let's get this party going. All right, I am gonna move this out of the way. And in a second, we are gonna work on our sauce. Our saucy sauce. You know what? I should leave the, yeah. Should I? Nah, not really. Had to change your mind. Alrighty. All right, guys, for our sauce, we're gonna just wait for this to finish. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna keep talking to you guys. So yes, for our sauce, guys, we're gonna do tres leches. So I have caramel sauce, and I also have some condensed milk mixed with a little evaporated milk and a little heavy cream, guys. So this is gonna be awesome. Of course, all recipe details is gonna be where, guys? Where? You said it. cookingwithtammy.recipes, full recipe description and measurements and so on and so forth, and a bunch of beautiful photos, guys. Photos to make you just want to salivate, okay? So yeah, all of the recipe details and measurements and stuff will definitely be there, just waiting for you guys to print it out and make this at home, of course. This would make the perfect holiday breakfast. So we are approaching the weekend. What do you guys have planned for the weekend, if anything? Or, you know, is it even supposed to rain on the weekend wherever you guys live? Because I'm not certain if it's gonna rain on the weekend where I'm at, but I know it is like literally coming down right now as we speak, as I mentioned earlier. So yeah. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, we are finished. We are done, done. Put this in the middle so you guys can get a proper visual. All right. I know I was gonna need you for something. I'm gonna put the other two right here, guys. We're gonna clean up this plate just a bit. All about presentation, okay? Don't be serving people no sloppy food, all right, guys? It may taste good, but the presentation might be off, and the person that you're serving might be like, I'm not so sure about that. Meanwhile, the taste is there, but because the presentation is a little off, they might be reluctant to want to eat it. All right, so you got to make sure your presentation is always A1. All right. Hey guys, we are back. And it's time, guys, for our sauce. Yes, a tres leches sauce, guys. So first things first, guys, I am gonna drizzle on some delicious, nice, creamy sauce, guys. Woo! Look at that, guys. Talk about what a way to start a morning, right? Alrighty. Hey. And we are gonna drizzle on our caramel, guys. Yes. Whoa. Woohoo! Look at that. All right. Now tell me if that is not delightful. All right. And of course, we are going to add our confectioner's powdered sugar. Okay, guys. And this is how we do it. Add it to the strainer. And you just hit it gently. Just hit it gently, guys. Just hit it gently. Just hit it like that. Make it snow. Make it snow, guys, like it's winter. And that's it, guys. $1 million breakfast. Yeah. Just like that. Just like that, guys. And we're gonna hit it off with just a little bit more caramel, guys. And breakfast is served. I'm trying to debate, guys. Because I want to take some pictures. So I'm trying to think whether or not if I should deal with the 2 slices of French toast over here, or should I cut into the big boy over here? And you know what? I think I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna cut into the big guy over here, guys. Yes, I am. And of course, as you can see, on this side, I have some breakfast sausages, and I scrambled up some eggs, and this is gonna make the perfect breakfast, guys. Yes, it is. Anyway, guys, without further ado, it is about that time, guys, to taste our eggnog French toast with tres leches sauce, guys. It's about that time. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And we are gonna dip it in this sauce, guys. Oh my God. Goodness gracious. Guys, this is absolutely totally delicious. Look, guys. That sauce just dripping. So good, guys. So delicious. Perfectly scrambled eggs. And this is my Hillshire jalapeno cheddar sausage. Savory, meat sweet, delicious. And even though, guys, I added the Leches sauce along with the caramel and everything, it's not oversweet. It's not oversweetened at all. You hear me? Delicious. Definitely A1, guys. A1. Deliciousness all on the plate. Anyway, guys, of course, thank you so much for hanging out with your girl, T, aka Cooking with Tammy Live. I had a good time with you guys. And I just want to say, guys, you definitely have to make this recipe. It's the perfect holiday breakfast. Better yet, it's the perfect breakfast in general. I don't believe in waiting until the holidays to eat good. You got to eat good all the time, guys. Food is supposed to be delicious and fun. You hear me? So without further ado, guys, I am going to go and finish this delicious breakfast. And I want you guys to enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, stay blessed. And thank you so much, and once again, for hanging out with me, Cooking with Tammy Live. And all recipe details, click that link at the bottom in the description bar, and it will direct you as to where you need to be. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye, guys.